Hey guys, so just a quick little video of the state of my living room before the transformation. And the first project is going to be this lamp over here. Gonna do quite a few things with this one can of paint. So as you can see, this lamp here is going to be our first project. I have two of these lamps I purchased at the thrift store for $1 each. And there's the other one. And let's get started. So first I painted the lamp with white antique paint. I didn't like that. So I've now taken it outside and I'm giving it a coat of spray paint. So just spray painting, and you know how that goes. No big deal. Just spraying it with an even stroke of white. As you can see, it was super windy outside, but I didn't give up. I wanted to get this done because I just kind of need to revamp my living space. It's just a little boring to me right now. So I'm just changing these lamps up. A few things actually with a can of white paint. Now, I did paint these, as I said, with antique white. I didn't like that, so I'm spray painting this. And this is actually the only item that I'm going to be spray painting. Everything else is going to be done with a can of paint, with white paint. Alrighty. So I'm only going to show you guys spray painting one. I mean, it's just spray painting. You don't really have to see the other one being sprayed. You guys know what that's about, just spraying it white. Okay, guys, so here we are with both of the lamps painted. Hi, guys. So here we are with both of the lamps painted white, which I am in love with. As you guys can see, I do need matching lampshades. I bought these lamps again from the Salvation Army for $1 each. We paid $2 for them, and these are the lampshades that actually came with them. I have since then cleaned them, but I had the lamps on two different, I had one on this, I had them both on my end tables. So they weren't together. So the different lampshades were fine for me. But now since I have them both on this console, I will definitely have to go out and find lampshades for the both of them. I admit I have looked at Burlington, I've looked at Walmart and a few other places, and I just haven't found any lampshades that I like. I do have lamps in my living room because I don't have overhead lighting. I eventually would like to have a little recessed lighting, but I haven't put that in. So here I've turned the lamps off just to give you more of a view, just to let you see them a little bit better with the natural light. And as you can see, this one is painted a little bit better than the other one. There's still a little area on that lamp over onto your right hand side that I'm going to give that lamp another coat. See, I'm pointing it out right here. This one needs another coat, so I'm going to take it back out, give it another coat, let it dry, and then bring it back in. Now, as you can see, I'm not showing you the whole area. There's a reason behind that, because I've created something underneath the table with white paint. So I'll show you guys that one in the next video. Just wanted to let you, actually to get your opinion on this. I really do like this, and I hope you guys can see it well enough to leave your opinion on if you like it better before or after. I did like the neutral color of those lamps, but I do have a really neutral, I guess, I don't even know what to call my style or whatever in my living room. It's just really neutral, laid back. Like I said before, a very coastal feel. I wouldn't say beachy because you know we're going into fall, but I do like a lot of neutral tones. It's just very peaceful for me. So I decided to take these from, which was already a neutral, to a white, just to make them pop a little bit more. So if you guys do like this video and what I've done with the lamps, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like them or if you like them better the way that they were originally. If you guys have decided to do any upcycles, leave me a comment down below and let me know. As you guys know, I love to upcycle things. I love DIYing, but I love thrifting and I love upcycling. So I've got a few things in store in this little white can of paint series. So here again, I've got both the lamps on, and I definitely have to hurry and get shades because you can see the lamps, because of the different shades, set off a different ambiance. So I will definitely be looking for shades, and as soon as I find them, I'll be happy to let you guys know and give you an update. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed to the Savvy Maggie channel, please do so right now. Hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys for real. And I'm just going to be recording on this broken phone until I can get a new camera. You guys, I haven't been recording the last 2 weeks because I broke my camera. I broke my camera, and then I dropped my phone and broke the back camera. So I'm recording on my iPhone with a broken screen. And I hope you guys can see this video without any problems. Please don't forget to leave me a comment, like, and please subscribe. I love you guys for real, and I'll see you guys in probably tomorrow's video. I'm working on that project right now. All right, guys. I love you guys for real. I see you later. Bye-bye.